Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again with another unboxing video to do. Today is Thursday. Hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody's safe. It is the first of the month. Wake up, wake up. We have a new unboxing to show you guys. It is a portable Bluetooth sport speaker. Support TW5 to ES connect together. E5. It is coming from Havit.com. It's called Havit portable Bluetooth speaker, waterproof, IPX7. Whoa, 30 hours playtime. Battery is a power bank, 400 or 4,000 mAh. Sorry about that. Siri function, voice chat, Bluetooth 4.2. 80 decibels. It's pretty loud. Congratulations. Red Dot Design Award. Alright. Alright, took it out of the box. So we got those. The good stuff in the down. 30 hours. Medium volume. Audio input. Aux. Bluetooth. Micro SD. TWS. Voice chat. Right. This is a nice little gift for somebody. Now we can hear. Look at these guys, really nice. And I think so you can hang it on your bike if you go on a bike ride, maybe in the shower too, singing in the shower and taking a bath, bubble bath. I don't know if you guys still do that, but boom, it's easy to hook up. I got my 9 Plus right here. I'm gonna show you the way. Let me show you. Really cool though. It sounds really good also too. You guys can get one at a low cost. All you gotta do, click the link down below and see what other goodies they got to offer also. You'll definitely get this before Santa Claus. So oh, Bluetooth. First you gotta turn it on. So we're here. We got the USBs. It comes with the charge it right there, or this is the audio, and then this is a charge, and then there you go. Look at that. Boom. SD slot, power, or to charge it, and then power bank. Make sure you close it back up. You don't want to get those circuits fried. And then here's the side buttons. Come on. Okay, there's a light. There we go. See? Like I said, you could go like bam. I have it like this. Hopefully it stays. Stay. Baby. I'm gonna try a song really quick. Something that does not have copyright. That's like, who knows? I know Coolio Gangsters, that definitely does. Crazy Bone. I know some of his tracks are not. Let me see. Oops. Oh, once you get to your Bluetooth, oops. I'll clean my screen in a second. It'll be called Havit, right up top. Just click on it. Bada boom. So like I said, you can have it hanging in your bench. What you gonna do for me? Here we go.
Let it all go.
Whoa.
Let it go.
Sounds really nice.
Let it all go. Let it all go. I know it ain't easy, put it in hands, be your mind, baby, let it go. Cause you need a nigga like your steps, there's only heaven knows.
Angels is falling.
Uh-oh.
the cause is. Heavenly soldiers all
Ready, so I'm getting there with my creator, we ride and stride. Animal good intention, he listens, so we alive. And it was so crazy, maybe. And that's the way we do it now, baby, baby.
So when you feel the pressure, baby, let that be. You gotta let the Lord guide you to be free.
Forget the passion for my mental and physical, but truth divine, condition and mind and spiritual. Let it all go. Yeah, just let it go. Let it all go. Let it all go. Yeah, just let it go. Let it all go. My Lord, that's right. He was there, so don't just call him when you get scared. Help me to save me from myself.
Yeah, there's unity in the living, Lord willing. What a feeling when I'm building this for my children.
You can't put enough a piece of the world from the wood. Unless you felt the struggle, then you probably won't care. Well, healthcare, they're taking away welfare. Yeah, no black babies, no daddy. Who cares? Anybody else? So we patiently wait for this great tribulation. Pray for the day we get that better situation. Still looking for my brighter day, brighter day.
Alright, there you have it. Hey, there you have it. Get it? Have it? Check them out. Links will be down below. And once you guys find the link and cruise around on their site, see what other goodies they have. YouTubers, be safe. Have a great night. And see you guys back tomorrow. See ya.